Hey everyone, welcome to this video. If you want to know how to fix Cash App payment failed for my protection, then this video is for you. In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix Cash App payment failed for my protection. So first of all, open your Cash app on your device. Now here, just tap on this profile icon here. Scroll down at the bottom and tap on this support. Now on the support page, just tap on this payment tab. From here, just scroll and find out the sending payment and tap on that. Now go to all the way down and in the contact us section, tap on this and here write down your problems. Like I'm writing, hey dear support team, when I make a payment, it keeps on saying payment failed for my protection. Kindly help to fix this issue for me. So I'm just writing thanks and just send this. Hope it will fix all the problem of your Cash App payment related problems. If you think this video is helpful, please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel.